Okay, boys and girls, now we're gonna take off this door from the E36.
So we're gonna take off this door. I fell. So we're gonna take off this door. So we need to take off these parts.
Oh, we need to knock this out. So
Yeah,
we're gonna
knock
show
that
our
in.
viewers how to do it. So we need a heavy hammer.
Like a very heavy one.
So yeah, get us that heavy one.
It's this one.
Long bar. Okay, check this out, dudes. This is what it's held on. This bit. So you need to bang. See? Did you get that?
Yeah.
So now it's flew out. Then you need to put a screwdriver in there and then give it another few taps. And
There we go.
There it is. Save this because this is valuable. Oh, anyway, we'll find it later. So your door is now free to come off, basically. So now you just unscrew these. And for them, you just need the 13. Oh, damn it. I put it the wrong way around.
Wait, we need to put this wheel under. Remember, it nearly fell.
Yeah, good idea. Always put some protection under the wheel.
Because you can't sell it if you just scratch it.
Exactly.
So, I'm carrying the wheel. Okay. I'm gonna put it down here.
Oh yeah, that's it. And hold this door, obviously, while someone is unscrewing it, because it's gonna. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the camera here actually. Wait, don't unscrew the mold just yet. I need to hold it first, mate.
It's barely unscrewing. Zoom it in a bit.
No, they can see it.
There we go.
That's it? Okay, so now
Put it on the tire.
off, and you just rest it on here, and Daniel's gonna hold it for us. Just hold it like this, Dan, like me. Yeah, like this, and I'm just gonna. The last bit basically is you need to unscrew this where the loom connects, and that's it. See
This door was way easier than that door.
Well, because we haven't dismantled it yet. I'm gonna dismantle it later. It's just I thought that we started that door, might as well dismantle it completely, but we'll just leave this one for now. Because don't sell this whole door, guys. Sell it in bits, because in bits you'll get a lot more money for it. Like
Because you do more work and.
oh yeah, exactly. And people don't need. Oh, Daniel, don't. Ah. We really need to invest in a head cam. Okay.
Jeez!
Good. So now this is off, and then all you need to do is put this thing right up, and then it will all come off. It's all the way up like this, and it will come off. Okay, good. Take this door, put it away. Man, this is a really, really heavy door.
Oh my god.
They don't make doors like this anymore. Oh my god, this is like. Wait here for now.
We have this door. And now we have to. Wait, we didn't take the black thing off this door.
Yeah, I'll do it all later.
We'll quickly show you the destruction of the car. It looks like Hurricane Katrina was here.
Yeah. over the car, exactly. Okay, now we've got the doors off. Danny, come and take this wing off finally.
The wing. Yay!
So just 2 bolts here.
Okay, here. So these 2 bolts. Where's the thing?